Okay, so that was now the second. Oh, where is he? Oh, he's not an AXB. Okay, so I'm taking that was the second plane. Just now seen that was this time it's with Cessna F152. Just now seen that time. So as you can see, this is coming from Newquay Airport to North Able, and the rate is G-BHZH. As you can see, it's just flown at 15. There we go. Now it's just coming up. It's now at 24,000 feet, but I think to start with, he was about 16,000 feet. He was. As you can see here, look, that's how much lessons he's been doing, and he's come from. He's just took off at Cornwall Airport, Newquay. Let's have a look where he's on AXB a minute. There he is. There he is, look, that's the plane just now seen. That was G-BHZH, that was. Let's have a look at the height. So here was about 16,000 feet. He was about 16,000 feet and then dropped to 15,000 feet. But where he is now, he's now still at 15,000 feet. And same again, and that's the time I took off at Cornwall Airport, Newquay at 9:51 AM. So that was the time I took off at his base to Cornwall Airport, Newquay. And that's how much lessons he's been doing just up around Truro. So yeah, just up and down he's been doing. So yep, okay, so thanks for watching, bye bye.